Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azwar and Hakim. I'm from informatic engineering, and today I'm going to make a presentation about comparing performance of data mining algorithm in prediction of heart disease. Heart disease are among the nation's leading cause of mortality and morbidity. Data mining techniques can be predict the likelihood of patient getting a heart disease. The purpose of this study is comparison of different data mining algorithms and prediction of heart disease. This work applied and compared data mining techniques to predict the risk of heart disease. After further analysis, there are three algorithms including C5.0 neural network, support vector machine, KNN neighborhood, and interaction. And according to the latest statistic from the World Health Organization, heart disease have a great deal of attention in medical research due to its impact on human health. Cardiovascular disease is the #1 cause of death in industrialized countries and not only have a major impact on individuals and their quality of life in general, but also on public health costs and the country economies. Diagnosis of heart disease was more costly decision in diagnosis. And artificial intelligence technique varies vastly in medical diagnosis with the advancement of science. The volume of accumulated data in various fields has been increased. That is well now the explosion of information. When analyzing the accumulated data, they could reveal their hidden useful information. By performing data mining, which is a new science, we're able to extract the hidden knowledge of the data. And the purpose of this study is comparison of different machine learning algorithms on prediction of heart disease. This section summarizes various technical articles on KDD process and data mining classification technique applied on heart disease dataset. And there are three research methods. The present study conducted by using data from the University of California, Irvine, UCI. This data included 13 features classified into two classes of with and without heart disease. After features analysis modeled by three algorithms, including decision tree, neural network, support vector machine, and KNN neighborhood, developed and validated. The first one, C5.0 algorithm. Yes, developed from C4.5 algorithm is one of the most important and widely used algorithm in data mining. C4.5 itself is the extended form of ID3 algorithm. C5.0 has the ability to apply it for the classifying as a decision tree of a set of rules. Because of the understandability of their rule set, they are preferred in many applications. The strength of the algorithm is in handling missing values of its large number of entries, as well as the fact that less time is necessary to learn it. Okay, the second one is SVM algorithm. Support vector machine, or SVM, is regulatory algorithm introduced by Fapnik in 1995. The base of algorithm using the precision to generalize the errors. The algorithm makes hyperplane and divides the data into classes that all samples belonging to one class will be categorized on one side and the rest of the other side. Linear SVM classifier is defined on our SVM classifying task, and dividing them occurs provided that the chosen line involves the most marginalized sure. Okay, the third is KNN algorithm, or K-nearest neighbor algorithm, is a method for classification based on similarity to the other cases. Those close to others are called a neighbor. When a case is new, its distance for each of the cases in a model is calculated. Applying this classification specifies the cases as being the nearest neighbor, which is the most similar. Therefore, it puts the case into the group of that contains the nearest neighbor. The algorithm is also able to calculate values continuously for a target In this situation, the average of the median target value of the nearest neighbor is used to obtain the predicted value of new cases. Okay, and the results and analysis. This section presents the experimental result and analysis done for the study. This work for 3 classifiers including C5.0, SVM, KNN, and neural network are conducted. Data divided into train set and test set. 70% and 30% respectively. The training set is used to build the classifier, and test set used to validate it. Model development is conducted in 2 main steps, including model fitness and model accuracy. To calculate the model fitness criteria, we use the data of training set. However, to compute the model accuracy measurement, data of testing set is applied, which is merely small value to judge about our model accuracy. The conclusion is, in this study, KNN, SPM, and C5.0 were implemented on a UCI dataset. Based on investigated methods, decision tree has achieved the best performance. There are different issues that influence the information of applied models, including type of problems and type of data. Due to the fact that this dataset mainly was discrete, decision tree able to handle numerical data because output variable labeled with 2 classes, with and without heart disease. Decision tree yield better performance than other algorithms. Decision trees are able to generate understandable rules and can perform classification without requiring much computation, and clearly indicate that which fields are most important for prediction or classification. Okay, so thank you so much for listening.